Jacob, look! Tower. Hi, Bubba. Look, the tower. Look at the pretty tower. What are you going to do with the pretty tower?
I'm going to get over this beanbag chair and then I'm going to destroy it.
Get it. Go get it. Get it. No, no. No, gosh.
I'm going to rip it by limb by limb. It's not good enough just to knock it down. I must rip it to pieces.
I made the bottom so hard so he couldn't get it. He's like, I'm going back to you later. Jacob. Jacob, smash it, go. Go, smash it.
Thumbs up. Go, Jacob. Jacob, now you go.
He's not done yet, Mom. He's not done.
Well, I don't want to put this forever. You got it now, buddy? Are you sure? Say yes. Say yes.
Jacob, look. Look. What's that?
You're supposed to give an evil laugh now. Yeah, nice try.